One image, two completely different animations in Canva. You'll need Canva Pro in any image. I'm using artwork from my own book cover. I duplicate my design and remove the text so I can use just the image. Then I export it as a PNG and upload it back into Canva. Now I create a new design. I place the image into my design. I resize it to fill the canvas. And I add a matching background if needed. First, the classic Canva animation, no AI here. Click Animate at the top. Try a few animation styles. Pick the one you like. And download it as an MP4 video. Now let's use Canva's AI. Select the image and go to Magic Studio. Choose Image to Video. Select Smart Mode and generate a 5-second video. If you like it, add it to your design. And export it as an MP4. Now try a different format like horizontal. Run the AI again. You'll get a bit different animation. and save your final version. If you're interested in this fantasy story, check the link in the description.